This horsetail plant has occupied most of the spaces of its pot. And so it's time to propagate. Today I will show you how easy it is to propagate horsetail plants. First, remove the plant from the pot. We have to create spaces in between the soil and the pot so we can easily remove the plant. Tap the sides. Turn upside down and release. Then, examine your plant. Find the gaps. Horsetail plants grow in groups. Small spaces in between groups can be seen in some potted plants. Then slice through the gaps to separate them. Here's another group. And another. And another. Then, repot. And fill with soil. Dividing and repotting is how we propagate horsetail plants. By giving it more space to grow, more branches will spring out. Then water your new plants. Look at it now, a few months later. It already has new sprouts. See?